Are you currently having problems with your Chispa dating app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to fix this issue. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually close your Chispa app, and instead you're going to go into your settings app. So open up your settings app, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down until you can see where it says General. So click on General, scroll down once again and click on Storage in here, as you can see. And now in here, you're just going to scroll down until you can find the Chispa app in here. So keep scrolling down until you can find it. So just a second. I think it's actually all the way down here even. So I'm just going to keep scrolling down. And here it is, as you can see. So click on the app and then click on Upload App, and then once again click on Upload App in here. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here again. As you can see, it says loading, and the reason why you need to do this is because you will now automatically update your Chispa app to the latest version. So you need to do this to be able to fix all the bugs that was in the previous version. So I did this myself and it worked for me, so I hope that this will be able to work for you as well.